In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in CapCut PC. To get started, move your mouse to the top left area of the CapCut interface and click on the Text tab. This is where CapCut keeps all of its text tools and presets, so if you want to place words on your video, this is the section you'll be working from. Right underneath that tab, you'll see a tray of text options. Look for the card labeled Default Text. On that thumbnail, there's a small blue plus icon. Go ahead and click it. As soon as you do, CapCut automatically adds a brand new text layer directly onto your timeline. This is the fastest way to create a basic text overlay that you can fully customize. Next, go down to your timeline and click once on the new brown text layer to make sure it's selected. This part matters because if the layer isn't highlighted, the settings on the right may not apply to the correct item. Once it's selected, look up to the top right Properties panel. You'll find a large text input box there. Click inside that box, delete the default wording, and type the message you want to display on screen. For example, you might enter an instruction like press Ctrl plus Z to undo. As you type, CapCut updates the text instantly in the preview monitor, which makes it easy to see your changes in real time without needing to render or confirm anything first. After your text is written, you can position it so it fits nicely with your video. Move your cursor over to the center preview monitor, then click and hold directly on the text. Drag it downward so it sits near the bottom of the screen. This is a useful placement because it helps keep the text visible without covering the main subject or important action in your footage. Once the text is in the right area, look for the white circular handles around the text box. Click and drag one of the corner handles outward to make the text larger. Scaling from the corners is a simple way to improve readability while keeping the text balanced on screen. And that's it. You've added clean overlay text and custom on-screen instructions to your timeline in just a few moments. This is a quick and practical way to make your edits clearer, more informative, and easier for viewers to follow. You're all set, done.